you ever spotted these before and wondered if they were the devil's creation themselves? Well, you're indeed correct. They're also called Bulgarian split squats or split lunges. Not fun, but an excellent exercise. Often the hardest part is getting into this actual position. One easy hack I'm gonna give you is sit on your bench that you're gonna be supporting your leg on. You're gonna stand up, take one baby step forward, and then plant that foot behind you. Super easy. Weights only if you've mastered the body weighted version. So for this one, your goal is to get this knee to almost touch the ground. Now, spoiler alert, if you focus on that, you probably don't need to load weight for a very long time because this in and of itself is a very intense exercise. It's gonna require balance, obviously strength, but you wanna try to get that back leg to the floor. That is really almost the entire point, to get a full stretch of this front glute. And a couple things to consider. If this bothers your low back, if you lean forward a little bit and squeeze your rib cage together, it takes a lot of the load out of your lower back. You actually feel it a lot more in your glute. Bulgarian lunges are great for glutes as well as quads. Save this one. Let me know how much you also hate Bulgarians in the comments below.